Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can breathe new life into your Lenovo ThinkCentre SFF desktop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR4 2933 MHz RAM kit, designed for the ThinkCentre M70s, M80s, and M90s small form factor models. If you're noticing sluggish performance, slow loading times, or your system struggling with multitasking, more RAM might be the answer. This ATEC kit offers a straightforward and cost-effective way to boost your ThinkCentre's capabilities. This kit includes two 16GB DDR4 DMM modules, operating at a speed of 2933 MHz. It adheres to the PC4-23400 standard and requires a voltage of 1.2 V. It's also a non-ECC unbuffered UDIM memory, which is exactly what these ThinkCentre models need. Installation is designed to be user-friendly. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home, even without being a tech expert. Of course, always refer to your ThinkCentre's manual for specific instructions on RAM installation, including proper seating and channel configuration. The benefits of upgrading to 32GB of RAM are significant. You'll experience improved overall system responsiveness, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle more demanding applications without slowdowns. Whether you're working with large spreadsheets, editing photos or videos, or running multiple programs simultaneously, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. ATEC also stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they offer tech support to assist you with any questions or issues you might encounter before, during, or after the installation. In short, the ATEC 32GB RAM kit is a solid choice for ThinkCentre M70s, M80s, and M90s SFF desktop owners looking to enhance their system's performance. It's compatible, easy to install, and backed by a reliable warranty. If you're ready to give your ThinkCentre a speed boost, this RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.